This is the Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, you gotta swipe downwards from the top part of your display, thus from the status bar, and open up the Control and Notification Center. Then find the Wi-Fi shortcut, touch and hold on it. After that, once at the Wi-Fi settings page, choose what network you would like to share the password of, then tap on the cog icon located in front of a chosen network. And at the network details page, at the bottom left corner of your display, you'll find this little QR code icon which you want to tap on, and the system will provide you with the QR code that can further be scanned, and, well, whatever device you used for it will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.